Most side hustle videos on YouTube are flat out lying to you. They show you screenshots of $10,000 weeks, but they conveniently forget to mention that you need thousands of dollars in startup capital or 5 years of coding experience to actually make it work. Let's cut the noise. If you are an absolute beginner, you are not making $10,000 tomorrow. But can you make your first $5 to $10 today? Absolutely. And honestly, that first $10 is the hardest part. Once you prove to yourself that making money online is real, scaling that to $50 or $100 a day becomes a simple math equation. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 completely free, legit websites that will pay you $10 a day, no upfront fees, no special skills. Plus, if you live outside the US or Europe, pay close attention because I'm going to tell you exactly which platforms work globally so you don't waste your time. Let's get right into it. The first website is TimeBucks. The reason we are starting here is simple. TimeBucks approves almost everyone instantly, and it works worldwide. Whether you are watching from the US, India, Ghana, or the Philippines, you can earn here. To start, go to Google, search TimeBucks, and sign up with your email. Once you are inside your dashboard, head straight to the Tasks tab. Now, here is the secret to hitting your $10 goal on this platform. Do not start with the surveys. Beginners always make this mistake, get disqualified, and give up. Instead, scroll down to the microtasks, things like clicking ads, watching 30-second videos, or following social media accounts. These tasks pay less, but they take seconds. They are guaranteed payouts, and they train the TimeBucks algorithm that you are a reliable worker. Once your account health is high, the platform unlocks the higher paying tasks. Spend 30 minutes a day here just knocking out the easy wins. Website number 2 is SproutGigs. This is a microjob marketplace where businesses pay you to do small digital chores. But there is a massive trap here that gets beginners banned in their first 24 hours. When you log in and go to the Find Jobs section, you'll see hundreds of tasks like sign up for a free website or like a TikTok video. Before you click a single button, you must read the employer expectations and proof required sections. If a job asks you to sign up for a site and submit a screenshot of the welcome email, and you forget to upload that screenshot, your account rating drops. On SproutGigs, consistency is everything. If you complete 10 to 15 small tasks a session instead of just one, those small 20-cent and 50-cent payouts quickly stack into a solid daily baseline. The third website is Fiverr. But wait, don't skip this, because we are not doing what everyone else tells you to do. If you sign up on Fiverr as a generic graphic designer or writer in 2026, you will get 0 orders. The market is too crowded. To make an easy $10 a day, you need to offer a highly specific, frictionless microservice. For example, do not offer content writing. Instead, create a $5 gig titled, "I will write 5 engaging hooks and captions for your Instagram Reels." It takes you 10 minutes. You can use basic formatting tools to help you structure it, and small businesses are desperate for it. Once you publish your gig, share the link on your social media or in Facebook groups where small business owners hang out to get your first 1 or 2 orders. Once the Fiverr algorithm sees you delivering on time, it starts pushing your gig to a global audience automatically. Now, the next 4 websites I'm about to show you actually have the highest hourly payout rates on this list. But I need to give you a serious warning. One of them is incredibly strict about your location, and if you try to cheat their system with a VPN, they will lock your funds permanently. Let's look at website number 4 so you know how to handle it. Website number 4 is ySense. ySense is essentially a massive data aggregator that pays you for your opinion and for trying out new products. The strategy for ySense is simple. Treat it like a daily routine. Download the mobile app and check it once in the morning and once at night. Why? Because global brands drop high-paying offers randomly throughout the day. Go to the offer section. You'll often find tasks where an app developer will pay you $3 to $5 just to download their new mobile game and reach level 5. You're playing games on your phone anyway. You might as well get paid to do it. Just ensure you answer your profile questions 100% honestly, because the system uses AI to detect contradictions and will flag your account if you lie. Website number 5 is Remotasks. This platform pays you to help train artificial intelligence models. You will be doing things like drawing boxes around vehicles in videos, or categorizing text strings. Because AI is booming right now, there is a massive amount of work here. But here is the catch. When you sign up, Remotasks makes you go through a short, mandatory training boot camp. Do not rush through this. They score your accuracy during training. If you get a high accuracy score, you get placed into the premium task queues that pay significantly more per hour. If you rush it and get a lazy score, you'll get fewer tasks. Take your time, do it right, and let the AI boom pay for your daily coffee. Website number 6 is UserTesting. This is easily the highest paying website on the entire list. Companies like Adobe, Microsoft, and Subway will pay you literally $10 for a simple 20-minute test. All you do is open a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts out loud into your microphone while your screen records. But here is the honest truth you need to hear. User testing is incredibly geographically biased. If you live in the US, Canada, or the UK, you will get tests all day long. If you live in developing countries, your dashboard might stay empty for days. If you are a global viewer, do not rely on this as your main hustle. Keep your notifications turned on in the background. Grab the $10 tests when they pop up, but focus your daily energy on websites 1, 2, and 5. The final website is Clickworker. Clickworker is an official partner of Microsoft's UHRS platform. They specialize in data entry, proofreading, and web research. Once you sign up, head over to the Assessments tab immediately. Taking these short language and logic tests is the golden key to unlocking the platform. The more assessments you pass, the more exclusive, high-paying jobs appear on your dashboard. It is completely global, completely legitimate, and pays out reliably every single week directly to your Payoneer or PayPal account. Look, let's be real as we close out this video. None of these websites are going to buy you a Ferrari by next week. But if you pick just 2 or 3 from this list, say TimeBucks for guaranteed global tasks, Remotasks for high-volume AI training, and Fiverr for a specific microservice, and you focus on them consistently, making $10 a day is completely achievable. And once you clear that hurdle, you can take that money and invest it into learning higher income skills like video editing, coding, or digital marketing to scale your income to the moon. Drop a comment below and let me know which country you are watching from, and I will personally tell you which of these 7 sites is currently paying out the most in your specific region. Hit that subscribe button if you're tired of the fake internet gurus and just want real, step-by-step strategies. I'll see you in the next video. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead.